Hello everybody, welcome back to Speak English with some art. Today's lesson I'm gonna be sharing you with short vowel A in unit 4. But before we get started with our lesson, I'm gonna review about the consonants and vowel sound first. So we have 26 letters and 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So to be sure that you know all the sounds, I'm gonna ask you the question and you have to say it out loud, okay? Okay, let's get started. So, can you guess what is the first letter I'm gonna be sharing to you? 1, 2, 3. Oh, can you guess what is that? What letter is this? It is A. A makes sound A. Okay, A makes sound A. Next, B. 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 Can you say it? B. Very good. Next, C. C. U. Very good. D. 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 E. 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 Good. F. Good job. G. Girl. H. I. J. Can you say it? Very good. K. And you? Very good. L. M. N like O. P. Q. Qua. Or R. S. T. U. R. V. W. W. X. Y. Z. Very good. Okay, thank you so much. These are all the 26 letters, including with consonant and vowels. So let's get started. Our unit 4, short vowel A. Short vowel A. Very good. So now you listen and repeat. Listen to me and then you're gonna say after me, okay? So do you see this boy? He is grabbing the girl's hair. So he is good. Do you think is he good or bad? I think he's not good. So he is bad. And look at that. She's crying. She's sad. So this boy is bad. So we're gonna learn the word bad. So b b b a d d d b a d bad b a d bad. Okay. So what is b? B is B. A is A. B A D bad. B A D bad. Bad like no. Bad. This boy is bad. Can you say it? Bad, bad. He is bad. He makes the girl cry. Look at that. When he hurts somebody and he feel happy, no. How can he do that? And this, do you think this guy is a mother? Oh, he's a dad. She is his daughter. So he is dad. Dad. Can you just think a little bit? Dad. What does the letters make sound? The. Letter. D, right? The is D. The a, the that, the a, the that. Look at him. What happened to him? Why he cries? So he is sad. He is sad. So sad. It's gonna be like right? And then the sad. Sad. So what is the first letter? What letters make sound? What letter makes sound? S, right? The sad. The sad. Why is he sad? Look at that. Oh no, he is sad. Last week, this guy is he is mad. So what letter is that? Letter M. Very good. M. The mad. The mad. Okay, that's all. Let's read with me. Let's start. Unit 4, short vowel A. Unit 4, short vowel A. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. 1. B, a, d, bad. Now you say with me. Teacher point and then you say 1, 2, 3. Very good. Bad, bad, bad. One more time. Bad, bad. That. Excellent. Number 3. Sad. Sad. Very good. Mad. Mad. Very good. So this is the end of this lesson, Unit 4. And if you want to know more, don't forget to subscribe for more video. And I hope you can learn well from my lesson. Thank you. See you for the next video. Chúc biết đi.